Swiss 304, if I can send altitude 3,000 feet now, further with the glide path.
Landing 3,000 feet with a glide path is 394.
Berlin 1503, center altitude 5,000 feet, QNH is 1028 millibars, range is 17 miles.
Berlin 1503, sending altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1028 millibars.
Swiss 3904, speed 160 knots until 4 miles. Berlin 1503, speed 190 knots.
Berlin 1503, speed 190.
Delta 20 Tango, descend 560 now, and lead down on thanks a lot. Thanks to the RS on runway 23 right.
80 Tango, Alpha Golf. Okay, right, Alpha Golf, Emirates 17.
Roger 120, that's 125, good day.
J4 Charlie Echo, Julie 1, line up and wait 239.
Julie 1, line up and wait 23 right, DC4 Charlie Echo.
Swiss 3904, contact the tower, 18.625.
118, 625, Swiss 394, bye-bye.
Berlin 1503, turn left heading 265 degrees, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Berlin 1503, okay, 1 to 185, right.